Okay, class. So now translations. You slide a figure up or down, left or right without turning it. If you don't turn the figure, then you have translated. So if my pen, I'm trying to see if I can use a smaller object. I don't even have a small object here. Okay, let's use my pen. My pen was here, yes? And I went to the right. I have translated. I have gone up. I have translated. It's still my pen. It has not turned. It has not faced this way. The minute it changes direction, it stops being translation. So look at my pen. It was over here. I moved it to the right. I moved it up. I moved it to the left. I moved it down. Do you see? When I do one of these movements, I don't have to do all. I can do one. I can just move to the right. I can move to the right. It will be translated. I can move back to the left. It will still be translated. Now, when you see the word up, it is a positive word. So you will add. You are increasing. When you go up, you are increasing. Okay? When you go to the right, you're also increasing. When you go to left, you're subtracting. When you're going down, you're subtracting. Now you have to remember, okay? How do I know? So I draw my Cartesian plane or my coordinate plane. So this is X, this is Y, and then this is 0. Or this is the origin. So if I am here and I go to the right, I am going to add on X. So you're adding on the X coordinate. Add to X. Okay? When I'm going to the left, it is still on the X axis. That means minus from X. Minus from X. So it is X minus the units you're moving. Okay? If you're going up, that means you're on Y. If you're going down, it means you're on Y. So here you add to Y, you minus from Y. Okay? So let us look at examples. Let's look at examples. All right. So you've been given a point. Let's say your point is A, which is -7, -8. That's your point. And the question tells you, translate 4 units left and 5 units down. That's what the question says. 4 units left. So this is for X. 5 units down. This is for Y. And since I am going down, I will minus. And since I am going left, I will also minus. Okay? So this is my X. And this is my Y. 4 units left, I will minus from the 7. 5 units down, I will minus from the Y. And then my answer will be the image, which will be A prime. -7 minus 4 should be -11. -8 minus 5 should be -13. And this is my answer. Okay? This is the new point. Do we understand? So you need to know how to read. Let's do another one. Let's do another example. Given triangle ABC is translated 6 units up. A is negative 3, 4. B is negative 8, 7. I'm just giving you random numbers. I don't know if they make a triangle. C is 0, 0. Let's say. Okay? All right. So, and the question says find the points of the new image. Find the points of the translated image, or find the points of the translated triangle, or write the coordinates of the image. Find the points of the translated image. Alright, so I write my pre-image, and I write A, I write B, and then I write C, and then I write negative 3, 4. I write negative 8, 7, 0, 0. Okay, 6 units up. That means I'm not touching X, I'm only touching Y because I'm going up. So this is up, so I'm adding on Y. And how much am I adding on Y? 6. So I will add 6 only on Y. And now I will get the image. So this will be A prime. No, A prime because it's only 1. A, B prime, and C prime. Negative 3 remains because there's nothing. 4 plus 6 is 10. Negative 8 remains because there's nothing here. 7 plus 6 is 13. And this will be 0, 6. Okay? And this is your answer. You have to write image, you have to write the prime correctly, you have to get the correct, you have to show your work. So this is translation rule. Translation rule. Okay? Now, let's do another one. Okay, so the question will give you, the question will say, I'm trying to see a question. Okay, if the question is written like this, find the image of the object A, B, C, D, E. Well, the object is a pentagon. How do I know? I have used 5 letters. Okay. So find the image of the object A, B, C, D, E when translated. Okay. When translated, and then they wrote X plus 4. Y minus 5. Okay, so this means 4 units to the right, 5 units down. Okay, 4 units right, because that's the number with X, and since it is positive, it is right. Okay, so this is on X, and then 5 units down, and that is on Y. Okay, when A is negative 7, 2, B is negative 9, negative 3, C is 2, 5, D is 4, negative 7, like that. Okay, so this is your pre-image. Now you need to get the image. Okay, so what will I do? I will add So let me show my work nicely. So I will write a pre-image. I write A, B, C, D, E. The bracket for A, the point for A is -7, 2, -9, 3, 2, 5. Oh, there was supposed to be E. 10, -10. 4, 7, and 10, -10. All right, so let's do the work. 4 units right, that means I am adding 4. Add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4. Remember, this is X. X, Y. There is no X1, X2 here, it's just XY. X, Y. Then on Y, we are subtracting 5. -5. Now we need to get our new image. You write A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. -7 plus 4 is 3. 2 minus 5 is 3. -3, sorry. Okay, so that's for A. B, -9 plus 4 is -5. 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 is -2. Okay. And then you plot on your graph paper. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's do D. 8 and 2. And this will be 14 and -15. So this is you translating. Okay. Now, when you've been given graph paper, I don't know what I did with my graph paper. Should have been here. The next video will be for graphing. Okay.